This is my website, and this one is the home page. In here, this is my hamburger menu, and when we click each title, we can go to the certain page. And this one is my logo. When we click the logo, we can go to the home page. And this one is also looks like a menu. I put the email and telephone number in here. And in here, this is my mission and my website introduction to tell the audience what I want to do for this website. And I also use the background in here. And this is the main designer of my whole website. And I also use the sentence come from this designer Richard Stark to generally introduce my website. And in here I put the full picture relative with the Richard Stark, and I use the transition hover in here. When I put the mouse in the picture, we can see the picture will become bigger. And also in here I use a button and put the animation in the button. And when we go to the bottom, we can see the other relative, the designer. I use the gallery and animation for the picture and the text. And this button, we can click this button, we can go to the next page. And in here, I use the animation, and this is the introduction of the designer Richard Stark. In here, I put some picture of Richard Stark daily life, and I use a slideshow. And in here, this is also a button. When I click the button, we can go to the next page. This is the third page. In here, this is the video caption. This video is talk about the brand Chrome Heart. And in here we can see I use two classifiable. I want to make my website more concise. And when we click to classifiable, we can see the words and the picture. And in here, there are two titles. When we click the different title, we can go to the different content. And also when we click the hamburger menu, we can go to the last page. In the last page, in the top, we can see this is a slideshow, and this slideshow can automatically to change the picture. And also we can click the pointer and click the button to change the picture. And follow that, we can see this is my table. The table is talk about main design element, and also this is the table title. And I also use the picture to show what is the main design element looks like. And in the picture, I use the gallery. When we click the picture will become bigger. It will be easy to see for the audience. And in the bottom, I also use the classifiable. The classifiable include some main products introduction. In here, I use the gallery, and also in the bottom, I use the transition. When I put the mouse in here, it will become bigger, and in the here we can see some introduction here. And each one, when we put the mouse in here, it will be automatically to show the text. And each page have their own footer and their own navigation. And also when we click the logo, we can go to the home page. And the last things, I think it is responsive. The home page, when we go become the smaller, we can see all those things it will be changed the size, but we can also clearly to see the content. Yeah, when we make the home page to the regular size, it will be become to the normal time. And when I finish my website, I think one interesting things I think is transition hover and the transition, because I think when I put the transition in the picture, the picture will more interactive and will more attract my attention, like this one and like this one here. Yeah. And also the other things I think is difficult things to me, it's the responsive, because I think the responsive I need to consider a lot of things, because different device like computer and phone have their own resolution, so each content I need to change to the different resolution and a different size, so I need to very careful do that. And the other things is like I think the animation is very interesting and a little bit difficult, because the animation is I think it is a little bit similar with transition, but animation it will be more easy to attract the audience attention, but sometimes it will influence the content because it will be attract the audience more attention, and the audience will ignore the very important content. Yes, so this is the three things for me, what is interesting and what is difficult. And this is my code. In here, let me go. Yeah, in here, this is the responsive for the home page. And in here, this is classable. I think classable is a very useful thing and interesting things, because when we use the classable, the audience don't know what is certain content in the classable. And also in here I use some like the animation, because I think the animation is very interesting things. Yeah, this is my present for my website.